Hey guys, it's James with AutOdometer. Now today I'm going to be cleaning the car carpets here in my 1997 Chevy Lumina. I did another video where I cleaned the car seats and the difference was pretty drastic. I'll leave a link in the description to that video if you guys want to check that out. Now what I'm going to be aiming for here today is just a significant improvement. Obviously you cannot remove 100% of the stain unless you replace the carpet. So I'm going to show and highlight here some of the more drastic improved areas, and especially there at the middle of the front seat. There's quite an improvement there. So I'm just going to vacuum up some of the loose dirt here before we start applying some of the all-purpose cleaner. And I'm going to be using Super Clean Degreaser 5:1, just like I used on the seats here. And then I'll be using a carpet brush to agitate the stains and then extract out the cleaner with a hot water extractor while I'm spraying water at the same time as I'm extracting. Now the dirtiest part of the carpet here in my Lumina was definitely right below where I would put my drinks on the cup holder. Spilled coffee a few times and a couple of energy drinks and things like that. So that was where most of the cleaning action is going to be taking place. And again, we're not headed for perfection here, we're just looking for a massive improvement. And if I had to put a number on it, I'd say I improved it about a good 80 to 90% from what it looks like here originally. Like I said, it's not a 100% improvement. You'd have to take the carpets out for that, but you can see in some of these areas drastically improved. So if you want to do something like this to either sell a car or you just want to improve the outlook of your carpet, this is definitely a procedure that you can do to increase the value of your car and just increase the condition of your car when you're driving. So if you guys enjoyed that video, and if I earned it, please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Head down into the comments to let me know if there's anything else I could have done different to improve upon. I always like to improve. And with that being said, thanks for watching.